Hi guys, today in this video we are going to talk about what is surfshark cancellation policy and refund policy or return policy. Okay, so first of all you can search like surfshark cancel subscription and you will see there is a option refund and cancellation. You need to click on this button and you will see this kind of options. So basically definitely when you purchase subscription on their platform, you can cancel your subscription and you can get your full refund within 30 days of first purchase. And they are not talking about renewal of the subscription, they are talking about first subscription. If you already renew subscription, let's take an example. If you have already consumed their service for 1 month and when you renew your subscription, if you want to get refund, it's not possible. This offer is only for one time purchase, first time purchase. Okay, and the time period is 30 days money back guarantee. You can contact just their customer support and they will guide you how you can get your money back, each and everything. But make sure you have purchased their subscription on their official website. Okay, and if you have purchased their official, you can like subscription by using Play Store, by using App Store, Paddle, Google or Clever Bridge, then they will not provide you any kind of money back. Okay, so these are the things. Now if you have any other questions, you can read out this format. You can see there are lots of options also available. You should read this refund and cancellation policy. So basically this is the clear and easy policy, like within 30 days you need to make a contact with their customer support team if you have purchased your subscription only for one time. Okay, so this is the answer for your question. Now if you have any questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.